2021 Ram 2500 Promaster. Let's check her out. Paint is in good condition. Interior is nice and clean. She has all the bells and whistles, guys. If you're looking for a Sprinter van, here you go. Underneath the driver's side, passenger side, interior is nice and clean. Check out how nice she is in the back. Has a TV. All these lights light up. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Don't miss out. Thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.